What's up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. And today's video is going to be another clean with me video. And because my voice is kind of gone and I'm feeling under the weather, Isaiah, my teenage son, is actually going to help me spring clean the kitchen. So if you haven't seen my first video of my spring cleaning series, I will put it up in the eye in the sky and down in the description box. So if you want to go ahead and go check it out, I did deep clean my living room. So before we get started on this kitchen deep clean spring cleaning video, I just want to mention that I have teamed up with a company called Grove Collaborative. It's a company where you can get all non-toxic cleaning products delivered right from your door monthly. So I have been with them for a year. I absolutely love my subscription. I love getting all of my natural and non-toxic products delivered right to me. They do have the new spring season scents out right now. You have to go and catch them while they last. Oh my gosh. So I have the Mrs. Meyers and the scent mint, and I have been wanting to try out this scent for a while now, so I'm really excited. I actually really like it. I didn't think I was going to like it, you guys. Like mint, I was thinking like peppermint or candy and stuff like that, but it actually has a really nice smell. So I have teamed up with Grove to offer you this great deal. We're actually going to go ahead and give away this whole set to you guys. If you go to their website and you purchase something, then you get this whole set for free. So all of the details, their links and everything to their website will be in the description box, and they'll have more details on exactly what you need to do so you guys can get your free spring cleaning scent collection. So anyway, without further ado, so I don't talk you off with my messed up voice, we're just gonna go ahead and jump right into this video.
All right, what's up, you guys? I don't know how this is gonna sound, but I'm gonna try and do the best that I can, because there's some things I want to explain to you guys so you kind of have an idea on what I do when I spring clean or deep clean my kitchen. So right now we are just kind of cleaning up the obvious messes, tidying up the kitchen a little bit before we go into the deep cleaning. So right now I'm using my new little dustpan I got from Target Dollar Spot, and that just kind of helps me clean off the table without getting too much crumbs like on the floor or anything like that. So I am going to go in with my new Mint Mrs. Meyers multi-surface cleaner, and I'm going to clean off the kitchen table. There was a lot of like stuck Play-Doh on the table. Ava has been playing Play-Doh a lot lately, so it was kind of stuck on there, and I had to really scrub that off. I didn't mention before, but I also have a little printout that I'm offering on my website right now. I actually made it last year for spring cleaning, and it's just a spring cleaning checklist. So go ahead and head over to my website after this video, and you guys can actually print off my checklist that kind of just gives you some ideas on some areas to clean throughout your house for spring cleaning. So right now I'm just taking a cup of water and some lemon, and I'm going to put it in the microwave for 5 minutes, and that is just going to kind of heat up and loosen up all of the grime inside of my microwave. And while I wait for that, I'm going to go ahead and clean off our little coffee station area, and Isaiah is loading up the dishwasher. So one of the things I like to do when I am doing spring cleaning, that is kind of organizing the cupboards a little bit and things like that. I know I just did decluttering and organization for the beginning of the year. That's like my New Year thing, but I also want to kind of keep up with it throughout the year. So that's what I'm doing right here.
Silent now, we don't say a word. We're just looking at each other. Tears in our eyes from the words we said. Yeah, it kinda broke my heart. Loving you is not so goddamn easy.
So now I'm going to go ahead and take out the oven racks, and I am going to make a little mixture and put it in the oven, because one of the things I like to do during this time of year is definitely clean my oven. So I'm going to take baking soda and a few teaspoons of water and make like a paste. So this paste is going to go into the oven, and I'm just going to scrape it around on all the like grime areas and let it kind of sit there. So what I did is I went ahead and used a plastic bag because I did not have any gloves, and you kind of want to like paste it on there or spread it around, and so it was just easier to use this bag. So if you have a lot of buildup in your oven, you definitely want to let this paste sit overnight. I did do a video last year and I let it sit overnight for about 12 hours and that really did a great job. But I found when I was doing this that I don't have that dirty of an oven right now, so I was able to kind of clean it up in the same day. So now that the microwave is done microwaving that water and lemon, I'm going ahead and just wiping down the microwave. It's super easy because of the steam. It really loosens up the food, particles, and everything in there. And it's definitely just a more natural way to clean your microwave and a more natural way to clean your oven that is just as effective.
I'm hurting you as well. I guess that we should say we're sorry. Say we're sorry. Say we're sorry. I guess that we should say we're sorry. Say we're sorry. Say we're sorry.
So right now we're just gonna go into the pantry. Another thing I like to do, part of my spring cleaning, is just remove any old food from the pantry and the refrigerator. So right now I'm just going in there. I'm filling up my mason jars that need to be filled up. I'm kind of taking out trash, and I like to keep up with my pantry so it wasn't that bad in the first place.
You know that we shouldn't keep it up like this. We hurt each other's feelings on and on.
So right now we're going to go ahead and kind of organize the refrigerator a little bit. Usually I would recommend go ahead and take everything out and deep clean your refrigerator, but I recently just did this, so my refrigerator wasn't that bad. I went ahead and while I was organizing, and if I seen any dirt or anything or food, I would take my vinegar and go ahead and wipe that down.
I guess that we should say we're sorry. Say we're sorry. Say we're sorry.
So I'm just checking for any old sauces or any old food and produce that just needs to be removed from the refrigerator, and just kind of creating some more space and making sure we don't have any 6-month-old food. But you guys know, you guys see my cleaning videos, I do keep up with these spaces in my home, so I don't have really that old of food in there. But I did want to show you guys this just in case you don't know what you should do for spring cleaning, and this is just something that I do that you could do.
Here, together we will shine, but we know we're running out of time, 'cause we met like strangers.
So right now I'm just kind of cleaning off the sauce, like the ketchup off the sauce container and the ketchup container and stuff like that. Just making sure there's no food or sauce running down the bottles. I absolutely hate that because then I get it on my hands and it gets in our refrigerator, and I have to keep that up. So then Isaiah took the initiative and went ahead and organized our below cabinets. He is organizing our pots and pans right now. That was super sweet of him and a great idea. So I kind of show you guys a little bit what he did here. And now he went ahead and took the initiative and attacked our Tupperware. The Tupperware got so super bad. I've been doing some meal prepping and trying to prep foods ahead of time and fruits and things like that, keep them in the fridge. So I have not kept this organized like my goal was this year. So that is where he is going in and kind of fixing it up to make it look better again.
You'll be a part of me. I wanna share my hopes and dreams with you, but will I ever see you again? I could travel 1,000 miles.
Now I'm going to go ahead and use my new multi-surface cleaner, and we are going to go ahead and clean off the cupboard. So that is definitely something that I like to do for my spring cleaning or any kind of deep cleaning, is wiping down the inside and outside of the cupboards or the cupboard doors and everything, because we touch the doors throughout the day and our hands might have food when we're cooking, or just just germs and things like that. So I'm wiping it all down, or a lot of water spots. I realize we got a lot of water spots on our cabinets, on our cupboards, because of putting away the dishes and they still have kind of water on them and stuff. So that is where I needed to clean that off.
Will I see you when I get there? We found love here, together we will shine, but we
So another thing that I like to do is clean my appliances. So you should definitely give your appliances a good wipe down. I know even though like we might use our appliances and like wipe them down and stuff, but I like to give them like that shine with this stainless steel, and it just doesn't happen often enough, just to keep it real. So right here, that's what I'm doing, and it really made everything shine. I used the Method stainless steel cleaner, and it worked really well.
Around me, I will give my love to you, but will I see you when I get there?
Now I'm going to go ahead with my vinegar, spray the oven, and we're going to go ahead and get this grime cleaned up. So I am using these Circlose, I'd have to get the name for you guys, but these special towels that I got from Grove Collaborative. Most of these products are from Grove Collaborative. Also this brush that I'm using here to clean, and that is what I'm using. So I do show you guys parts of what Isaiah is doing while I am cleaning, because just to kind of give you guys an idea that we were working as a team in this kitchen. So I'm going in and scrubbing that mess up. Look how much that baking soda got from there, you guys. Like, that is so nice. It cleaned it right up. And this was only leaving it on like less than an hour. So imagine if you have like a really dirty oven and you left it in for the recommended time, like half a day or a whole day. It's really gonna do the job. So now Isaiah is going in and mopping our whole kitchen floor. We use a Bona product on our laminate floors. I have mentioned that in other videos, but if you're new, that is what I use on my floor. So here's the aftermath of the oven. It looks great. I'm so happy with it. So now we're going to go ahead and go in with a magic eraser. I went ahead and got this idea from Kimberly from Style Mom XO to cut the magic eraser in half so you can kind of make better use of that one sponge. So anyway, you just wet your magic eraser, and this is how I clean my baseboards of my whole house. I'm just doing the kitchen area. The other day, on Monday, I did my living room area when I did my spring cleaning for my living room. So it does a really good job getting the little like hair particles, dust, build up. I just love it. It really makes them white and cleans the baseboards really well. So the last thing I am going to do is go in with my duster. And I'm just going to dust the tops of the ceilings. I usually do this first, but I don't know. I did things backwards. Sometimes when you're filming, things are all out of whack. So I am going ahead and dusting the ceiling. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching my video. Please comment down below and say hi just so I know that you were here. And I will see you guys in my next video. I love you guys so much. Bye.